Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a bit of diagnostics on the Discovery 3. So recently we've been getting an air suspension error come up. I'll put it on the screen now. And I mean, it rides alright, but there's a problem with the reservoir not filling quickly enough, something like that. Anyway, I've just taken the bottom of the cover off the compressor and I there's some pictures of how much mud I found. I'm surprised it still worked. I mean, that must have been from the previous owner, because we haven't been through mud like that. We've done a bit of green laning, but although I suppose it could be supposed to be plain. But anyway, it's supposed to be sealed, but it was actually covered in mud. So anyway, I've cleaned it all out, and now with my trusty bottle of suds, we're going to try and find an air leak, because I suspect that's what it is. So let me see. This is not a how-to guide. I mean, I'm just going to show you the fault and what the cure is, hopefully. Right, you probably couldn't hear me when the compressor was on, but that's the leak, and that's what I thought it might be. So let's take that cover off and see what we find. Alright, there's the issue. I hope you can see that. There's a small hairline crack in between those two inlet and outlet pipes. You see that? Get it on the magnifying glass, hang on. Hope you can see that. I'm not sure it comes across on camera, but you can just see hairline crack there. And that is what caused the air leak. It's a common problem on the D3 and D4s, so just buy a new one of those. There is a guy on eBay selling out operated ones made of aluminium, so you could do that as well. So that will solve the error that you've seen at the beginning of the video. Hope that helps. Please comment, like and think about subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.